Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay. Are you ready for today's lesson? You are? That is good. Today, in agricultural science, we are going to be learning about agricultural extension. Okay? Our topic for today in agricultural science is on agricultural extension. Are you ready for today's lesson? Okay. Agricultural extension refers to the process of sharing agricultural knowledge, information, and modern farming practices from agricultural experts, researchers, and government agencies to farmers and rural communities. Agricultural extension is aimed at facilitating the exchange of knowledge and information between agricultural experts and farmers. Okay? Do we understand? Okay. We are going to be looking at the objectives of agricultural extension. The objectives of agricultural extension. Dissemination of information to provide farmers with up-to-date and relevant information on agricultural practices, technologies, and market trends. Okay? Dissemination of information to provide farmers with the latest and relevant agricultural information. Do we understand? Skill enhancement to improve the knowledge and skills of farmers, enabling them to adopt more efficient and suitable farming methods. To improve the skills and knowledge of farmers. Technology transfer to introduce modern agricultural technologies, equipment, and practices to enhance farming productivity. Technology transfer to introduce modern farming techniques and technologies. Okay? Market access to assist farmers in accessing markets for their agricultural products, ensuring they get fair prices for their products. To help farmers access markets with their products. Farm management to help farmers with effective farming management, including crop planning, resource allocation, and financial management. To assist in efficient farming management practice. Problem solving to address specific agricultural challenges and find practical solutions, whether related to pests, diseases, or environmental issues. Problem solving to address agricultural challenges and find practical solutions. Community development to contribute to the overall development of rural communities by promoting better living standards, infrastructure development, and economic growth through agriculture. So these are the objectives of agricultural extension. Okay? Dissemination of information, skill enhancement, technology transfer, market access, farm management, problem solving, community development. These objectives aim to empower farmers, improve their livelihoods, and ensure the sustainability of agriculture in a given region. ultimately contributing to the overall development of agricultural sector. Okay, do we understand? Good. So next we're going to be looking at principles of agricultural extension. Principles of agricultural extension is the basic guidelines or rules that help farmers and communities in agricultural practices. Okay? Farmers' participation, involving farmers in decision-making process. Involve farmers in the planning, decision-making, and implementation processes. Farmers' knowledge and perspectives are valuable. Adaptation, tailoring advice to suit the specific needs of each farmer. Extension advice should be tailored to the specific needs and conditions of individual farmers and their farms. There is no one-size-fits-all solution. Continuous learning, keeping up with the latest advancements in agriculture. Agricultural extension professionals must stay updated with the latest advancements in agriculture, research, and technologies to provide accurate and relevant information to farmers. Sustainability, promoting environmental friendly and sustainable practices. Extension services should promote environmental and sustainable practices that ensure the long-term health of the land, water, and ecosystems. Local context, considering the local culture, resources, and conditions. Consider the local culture, resources, and conditions. Extension activities should be relevant and sensitive to the local context. These principles guide the practice of agricultural extension and help ensure that the services provided are effective, respectful, and contribute to the overall well-being of farmers and their communities. Okay? Good. Next, we're going to be looking at the functions of agricultural extension. What are the functions of agricultural extension? Education, providing training and information to farmers. Providing education and training to farmers on modern agricultural techniques, practices, and technologies. This is one of the functions. Education. 2. Communication, facilitating effective communication between experts and farmers. Effective two-way communication between agricultural experts and farmers to ensure a clear exchange of information and ideas. Research and data collection, collecting data to understand and solve agricultural problems. Collecting data and conducting research to understand agricultural issues, identify the challenges, and develop solutions. Innovation, promoting new and improved farming methods. Promoting the adoption of new and improved farming methods, technologies to enhance productivity. Monitoring and evaluation, assessing the impacts of extension services. Assessing the impact of extension services by regularly monitoring and evaluating the progress and outcomes of farming activities. Policy advocacy, influencing policies that affect agriculture. Advocating for the policies and regulations that support the need and interest of farmers and the agricultural sectors. So these are the functions of agricultural extension: education, communication, research and data collection, innovation, monitoring and evaluation, policy advocacy. These functions play a crucial role in enhancing agricultural productivity. Okay? Do we understand? Good. Next, we're going to be looking at extension methods, advantages and disadvantages. Extension methods are the ways in which agricultural experts and organizations share knowledge and information with farmers to help them improve their farming practices. These methods include demonstrations, showing farmers how to implement new techniques, workshops and training, providing hands-on training, farmers field schools, creating learning groups for farmers, mass media, using radio, TV, and the internet for information dissemination, advisory services, one-on-one consultations with experts. Okay? So agricultural experts and organizations share knowledge and information using these methods: demonstrations, workshops and training, farmer field schools, mass media, advisory services. Okay? They use this method to share information with farmers that help them improve in farming practices. Next, we're going to be looking at the advantages. The benefits of using extension methods. 1. Enhances farmers' knowledge and skills. Increases agricultural productivity. Facilitates technology adoption. Improves livelihoods in rural areas. So next, we are going to be looking at the disadvantages. Okay? The challenges of extension methods can be resource intensive. Extension services can be costly. It's costly to implement and maintain. Limited access in remote areas. In isolated areas, farmers may have limited access to extension services. Difficulty in reaching illiterate farmers. Those with language barriers may find it challenging to benefit fully from certain methods. The effectiveness may vary depending on local context. The effectiveness of extension methods can vary depending on local context, resources, and the quality of information shared. Okay? So these are the disadvantages of extension methods. Do we understand? Good. So today's lesson on agricultural extension, we understood it. That's good. So next, we are going to be looking at our assignment. I'm sure we are going to be able to do our assignment, right? Good.